Matongoretio ni murugamiriri wa maundu ma Arutwo thukuru-ini ucio John Ayeko. Arutwo aya ni maramundirie mishuma kuririkana Arutwo 147 aria moragirwo na ngikihiria aria matigirwo na nguraro tariki 2 mweri wa kana mwaka wa 2015. Maiyuritwo ni kieha, arutwo aya ni mararirikanire minyamariko iria magerire hindi ya tharikira iyo.
Let's say it was God who enabled me to run outside that hostel where I was living. Then I hid inside a certain washroom. Actually, I stayed there for almost 5 hours.
Not fight people like Biguna, they are harmless. Let's fight the real terrorists who are within us, who are fighting us, killing us slowly by slowly, and we save our future.
Handini yake Ayeko ni oritie thirikari igacirithie mitaratara ya ugitiri mathukuru-ini ma university niguo gwithema na tharikira teno gukahanika ringi.
Life is about struggle. Life is about
Tharikira ino iria yahanikire miaka 3 mithiru yatabanio ni itoi cia gikundi kia shabaab kuma bururi wa Somalia inyitanire na jaguti cia guku bururi-ini na niyo tharikira iria nene makiria kwa ya kuhanika thukuru-ini o wothe guku bururi-ini. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.